Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to bypass phone verification on Twitter. So for this, we need to open Google app and open the Twitter. As you open Twitter, click on create your account and enter your name. Now go back and we need to open Google app again. So once the Google app is open, now here you need to search for UK verification with sms.com and then click on get started. As you click on get started, you will get the option of sign in or sign up. As we are new, so click on sign up. After the initial sign up, this will be the main dashboard. As you can see, we have zero balance. Now click on these three lines and click on single using number. And from here, you can choose the number that you want. Click on search and as we search for Twitter here, so search Twitter and here we have. Click on this add to cart. Now you need to click on buy to buy this phone number here. And now go back to Twitter website and here you need to enter that phone number. So once you enter the number, then you need to enter your date of birth. Choose your date of birth and click on set and then click on next. Now here you need to authenticate your account. Click on authenticate and after that you can skip or allow notifications from here and in this way you can bypass phone verification on Twitter. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe us. Thank you for watching. Bye.